Prachi, and today I'll be talking about charcoal powder and 5 awesome ways to use charcoal powder in your beauty routine. Now, charcoal powder is an extremely versatile ingredient. You can use it for your skin, you can use it for your hair, you can use it for your teeth. So if you want to know how to use charcoal powder, just keep watching this video guys to find out. So the first hack is super duper easy. All you have to do is to take your regular face wash. The one that I'm using here is from Good Vibes Plus. It contains geranium oil and licorice and it's great for dark spot removal and for skin toning. To this, add just a little bit of charcoal powder and also add a little bit of coffee from your kitchen. Mix all the ingredients really well and just wash your face regularly. Now this thing works as a face wash, of course, because you're using a face wash. It also works as a scrub. And charcoal powder in itself has this amazing property of binding itself to the dirt and pulling it out of your skin. So if you have a lot of sebum production, if your skin is constantly getting clogged, if you have a lot of blackheads, whiteheads, doing this regularly will really help in dealing with that problem. However, for those with extremely oily skin especially, or if you have extremely clogged pores, you can also follow this up with the next step, which is using a cucumber toner on your skin. Now this one is from Albs Goodness, and cucumber toner in itself helps in controlling sebum production further. It also balances the skin's pH levels and controls toxins for blemish removal. So just adding the cucumber toner to your routine will also help in preventing all the sebum production and all of the clogging of pores further. So guys, you can also use charcoal powder for dandruff issues, especially if you have a lot of scalp buildup which is leading to dandruff problems. This is the perfect DIY for you. So for this, we'll need some amla powder. I'm once again using the Albs Goodness amla powder because I think it's such a clean ingredient. And by the way guys, Albs Goodness is also an Indian manufactured brand, so yeah, that's definitely a big thumbs up. Amla powder is great for dandruff removal and also for conditioning your hair. To this, we'll add some lemon peel powder. So this one is from Mesmara. Of course, I'll put all the links in the description box below. And once again, this is an Indian manufactured product. To this, we'll add a little bit of charcoal powder, and to this you can add some water, or if you want you can also add some curd. Today I'm just using some water. Mix all the ingredients really well, apply this all over your hair, leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with a mild shampoo. You can easily do this twice a week to just keep your scalp clean and free of all dandruff. Now this next hack is extremely popular. For this, you just need to take some charcoal powder, mix it with your toothpaste and then brush your teeth with this. This is something which you can do every single day to keep your teeth, your mouth fresh, your teeth clean and also whiter. If your scalp is extremely itchy and oily, this next DIY is totally for you. For this, you will need some neem powder. So I'm using the neem hair revitalizing pack from Vyayam Ayurveda, which contains neem as its ingredient, and it does not contain any other ingredient in case you're wondering. Neem in itself is such a wonderful ingredient guys, for detoxifying your hair, for cleaning your scalp, for deep cleansing your scalp. To this, we'll add some charcoal powder, which once again is a great ingredient for oily itchy scalp. Mix both of these together with a little bit of water, or if you want to use curd, you can use curd, and apply this all over your hair and scalp very generously. Leave this on for about 30 minutes. Yes guys, this one you want to leave for about 30 minutes because 15-20 minutes is not enough for this mixture to sit on. And after this, once again wash everything off really well, and that's it. For the last and final DIY guys, I'll be sharing with you all a really simple face pack which is great for deep pore cleansing, for keeping your skin happy and fresh. It's very natural and can be used 3 times a week very easily. For this, we'll need some Multani Mitti powder. I'm using the Albs Goodness Multani Mitti powder because it's organic, pesticide and preservative free, and Multani Mitti is great for cleaning your skin and keeping it squeaky clean. To this, we'll also add some rose petals powder. So this one is from Good Vibes. It's once again a paraben sulfate and cruelty free product. It smells amazing and it can also be used for your hair. So if you want to use it in any of the previous DIYs that I just shared with you, you can totally use it with that as well. It's a very gentle, light ingredient. It's extremely versatile. And finally, we'll add to this just a pinch of charcoal powder. You don't want to use too much, just a little bit. And mix all the ingredients really well with milk. If you have dry skin, if you have oily skin, you can just use water. Apply this all over your face, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off with cool water. This is great once again if you have whiteheads, blackheads, if you have extremely clogged pores, or just for deep pore cleansing and giving your skin that fresh look. If you have dry skin, I recommend that after using this DIY, you also use a serum. So for this here I have with me the NY Base Skin Fit Face Serum. It contains hyaluronic acid and it's also great for not just plumping up your skin because it contains hyaluronic acid. Obviously it gives your skin a hydrated plump look. It also gently moisturizes your skin, and the best thing is that if you have skin aging issues, this will help with that too. So apply this all over your face and that's all. So guys, these were some really cool hacks and DIY. Just 1 second guys, Lyra is being really naughty today. Lyra baby, क्या कर रहे जान? If you have a dog, you probably know what I'm talking about, guys. They just get everywhere and in the middle of everything. She's just playing with the toys and being very noisy today. Anyways, going back to this video. Well, guys, these are all the DIYs slash hacks that I want to share with you all. And I just think the charcoal powder is such a great thing to use because it has so many benefits. The one that I'm using today is also from Good Vibes. Yes guys, I love Good Vibes as a brand. And also, by the way, the products are manufactured in India. Somebody actually mentioned in my last video that Prachi, Good Vibes is not an Indian brand. It is actually manufactured in India. All the products, you can check the product packaging, you can check the manufactured by part of it. I'll anyways put all the links in the description box below. And this charcoal powder is again a paraben sulfate free product and is also a cruelty free product. I especially love this charcoal powder because it also contains tea tree essential oil, which is so magnificent. It's so great for your skin, for your hair. I've talked about tea tree oil so many times in the past. It's great for just cleaning up your skin, especially if you have acne prone skin and if you have a lot of skin infections, bacterial infections, fungal infections. It's great for all of those things as well. So tea tree oil with charcoal powder actually works really well because they both actually you know, mix really well together is what I would want to say. They work really well together, mix very well together. So yes guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superpower Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.